Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, it seems like we've been trapped with this heat and humidity for some time now, and you know what? It's just going to continue on. We do have some patchy fog in place, and that'll be with us as we wake up this morning. Here in Providence, we are looking at temps that are in the low 70s and dew points that are also in the low 70s. So not only is it much warmer than the average low, which is 58 degrees for this date, it's going to mean this warmer start will translate to a warmer high temp this afternoon. So our current temps are running in the 70s. Our dew points are also in the 70s. Where our dew points and temperatures meet, that gives us a relative humidity of 100%, which in coastal areas we are seeing in thicker areas of fog, but that will be burning off. This won't, though. Our humidity trend is going to be with us, not only as we go through the weekend, but likely as we continue into the week ahead. So that is going to be our lot. Now that it's here, it seems to be, well, stuck. Now, our feel-like temperatures this afternoon are once again going to go up. And in fact, we have the potential of seeing them near 90 degrees in portions of Bristol County, Mass. But we also, from Providence, even down to North Kingstown, will find feel-like temperatures well into the 80s. And as a result, we do have that heat advisory, and it has been expanded through 8 p.m. for the areas where we're expecting the highest of the feel-like temperatures locally. So what could that look like? Well, we have the potential of seeing high temperatures, 85 to near 90. And that means feel-like temperatures with the high humidity of 90 to 95 in the advisory area expected for today. Now, we do have winds that are light to calm, and if we're going to see fog, this is what we would expect. You see, wind and fog don't exist well in the same space. And we do have a blend of, well, areas of no clouds and clouds. Once we get the sun up, then we can say sun and clouds. What this is, what's making these clouds is a stationary front. It's not really making a whole lot of forward progress. And as long as it stays anchored to our west, that's where our focus for showers or thunderstorms is going to be. So our futurecast is showing that pretty well. Once we get into the afternoon, temperatures creep up, and then lining up along that front would be areas of showers and thunderstorms. But again, it remains to our west. It's nearly stationary. Here, we're just expected to roll in a couple of clouds as we go to tonight. And as we go into the weekend, we're going to hold on to the humidity. We're going to hold on to the blend of sun and clouds. And we're also now going to introduce in the afternoon about a 20% chance of picking up a stray shower or perhaps a thunderstorm on Saturday. Sunday is going to be almost a repeat, but with a 40% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. I wanted to show you Lee. Lee is our latest hurricane. It is a major Category 5 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 165 miles per hour. What pushes it into a Category 5 is winds of 157 miles per hour. Now, this is a very slow-moving monster of a storm. In fact, it's only going to get this far by the time we get to the middle of next week. And of course, models are saying that it is expected to take a turn. Now, keep in mind, this is several days out, and these are our two main models that we look at. The GFS is noted in green, and the Euro is noted in the red, and you'll notice that they do have pretty good agreement that it does make that hard turn. The question is, how close is it going to be coming to us by the time we get to next weekend? That's the time frame we're going to be watching for the potential approach of that system. So taking a look down the road, if you are headed to the game on Sunday, we again have that 40% chance of a scattered shower in the afternoon and evening. It is going to be steamy out there too. Our kickoff temperature is likely going to be in the vicinity of 80 sticky degrees.
So people who have Friday night plans,
Tonight?
not talking about myself, but maybe I am. What's the hair going to be doing later? Is it still going to be really humid after 7 tonight?
Oh,
really?
Yeah. We are.
This is tough.
It's going to be hard to make it sleek.
Like you said earlier, dog days of summer are still kind of sticking around, but it really wasn't that hot like a lot this summer.
That's the thing. We didn't make it to 90 degrees until yesterday. So
that's really incredible. September, and we're in the 90s.
Yes.
All right. Well, I don't know. A lot of hairspray, I guess. We'll try.
We will.
Thank you, Kelly.